I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all spicy Spanish rice, the light and colorful rice, uniquely flavored Spanish-style rice recipe. Spicy Spanish rice is a brightly colored orange with dots of green and red peppers and topped with chopped purple onions, or small scallions. My family enjoys spicy versions of side dishes, thus I am outnumbered and gladly comply. Suggested combination of blends, vegetables and spices: 2 cups of extra long grain fancy rice, 3 cups of low-sodium chicken stock or vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon real butter, 1 cup of peeled, seeded and diced vine-ripe tomatoes or 1/2 tablespoon of pre-seasoned tomato paste. I pre-season with salt, pepper, cumin, garlic powder, celery salt and ginger powder, before adding to my boiling stock. 1/2 teaspoon smoky cumin or whole cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 2-3 freshly minced garlic cloves, 1/4 cup freshly chopped cilantro leaves, 1/2 cup of finely seeded, chopped bell peppers, red, yellow or green, 1 small, seeded and chopped jalapeno pepper, 1/2 cup of fresh frozen mixed vegetable blend, a pinch of Spanish saffron threads, optional. Begin, season, lightly cook and set aside your tomato paste. If not using fresh tomato, in a separate cast iron skillet fry your rice, adding a small portion of regular cooking oil, until lightly beige, brown in color. Reduce heat and add your peppers, onion, garlic and tomatoes, only if using fresh tomato. Cooking down the ingredients in order, as in above instructions, until onion becomes translucent. Set aside your skillet. In large stock pot, choose one that has a tight-fitting lid. Add your liquids and obtain a light boil. Continue by adding remaining spices and cilantro to include salt, olive oil, butter and mixed vegetable blend. Now you can add your seasoned tomato paste, if not using fresh tomato, and a few Spanish saffron threads, optional. Bring your stock pot down to a simmer, and add your skillet ingredients. Cover and let simmer on medium-low for 16-22 minutes, depending upon the heating source. Remove from heat and let your rice rest for 7 minutes before opening your lid. Enjoy your rice. Garnish with chopped Spanish, purple onions for more vibrant visual appeal. Place a bowl of extra virgin olive oil to be added tableside, for more nutty flavor. An individual choice, of course. Spanish rice is vastly different than everyday light rice, albeit rice is always a nice way to complement any lunch or dinner meal. In trade tilde copyrightee. It can also be seasoned as a complete meal by adding chicken, shrimp, or fish and other seasonings, spices and vegetable additives. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.